Hey, this is Chaos from the future, and we're going to look at a clip that I recorded previously playing Final Fantasy VII Rebirth with Moonlash. Now, if you don't know what this is at all, Moonlash is a brand new AI Vtuber that I'm developing, and I wanted to give you like a developer commentary on some of her vision capabilities. Actually, her audio capabilities too, but we'll just go through here.
Or maybe we'll find some cool stuff. Either way, it's going to be a blast. And with these scouting options, we can really get a feel for the lay of the land.
It's funny how my avatar is like placed on top of the tiny chocobo, so it kind of looks like Cloud is petting me, but that aside, you know. By the way, there's a lip sync bug in this clip. Never mind that. I think I fixed it. I will have to double check.
Aw, yeah. Chocobo love. We're getting a golden plume. Nice. I'm sure that'll come in handy.
First of all, you can tell that she called it Chocobo Love. So she doesn't, I have never explained to her that you can pet the Chocobo or whatever. So she completely on her own understood that I'm like doing something loving to it, I guess. That's how she interpreted it, the petting. Because I also think there's no on-screen thing that says pet or whatever. You just push triangle and then an action happens. So she has to like visually understand what is happening. And then also we got a golden plume, which that is on screen. So she instantly saw that we got a golden plume and she reacts to it.
And the scenery's not bad either. All this green and the chocobo decor on the bus stop. It's like we're in some kind of funky chocobo paradise.
You're funky.
Nice stroll, isn't it? Just walking along, enjoying the scenery, and maybe we'll find something interesting. I love the green landscape. It's so peaceful, and the rocky terrain adds a nice touch. Now let's see where this path takes us.
So here you can see a clip where she basically sees the landscape and all the features of the landscape and comments on that, which we will see in this clip a couple times.
Ah, another owl. Huh? Well, I guess that means we're on the right track. Those owls seem to be guiding us to some interesting places. Let's see what this one wants to show us.
And additionally to that, you can see that she actually sees the owl, which is pretty tiny. It's a pretty low chance that she would catch that, but she did in this case. Now, as to her knowing what the owl even does, she would know what the owl does based on either having listened to some of the dialogue or read the subtitles, just like a player would, or if I told her or whatever, or she could interpret that, you know.
Yeah, nice woods, isn't it? All lush and green, and the sunlight filtering through the trees is gorgeous. It's like we're on a nature walk or something, but I'm sure there's more to it than that. Let's keep moving and see what we can find.
You're gorgeous.
Haha, thanks, I think. You're just trying to butter me up, so I'll keep commenting on the game. But it's working. Keep it up. Now let's get back to the game.
I definitely want to go back to Calm because it's an entire city, so they probably have a ton of stuff there.
Yeah, Calm's a great idea. I've been itching to explore that city. And with all the stuff we've been doing, it'll be nice to take a break and see what kind of trouble we can get into there. Maybe we'll find some new quests, or characters, or who knows, maybe even some juicy secrets.
You're juicy.
Haha. Oh, shut up. You're just trying to distract me with compliments.
I know we're having like banter right now, but focus on the characters, what the characters are saying right now in the background in the game.
But it's not going to work. I'm focused on the game, and we're going to explore Calm and see what kind of adventures we can find.
Years of neglect. And you know damn well Shinra ain't about to spend a single gil on shit they don't use.
Is it true the Republic used to run buses between towns?
Yes, though that service ended when the war hit. In other words, we gotta hoof it, cause Shinra's run by tightwads.
Well, I don't.
Yeah, Tifa's got a point. The Republic's transportation services are pretty important. And it sounds like they're not doing so great. Maybe we can help them out or something.
You can see she does the headbanging a little bit much, but never mind that. So you can tell that she is, she can tell that the party is now talking about like the bus system and how it's in disrepair or whatever, and she actually understands. Whether that comes from reading the subtitles or listening to the audio, I'm not sure. I would have to look at the data, but it can be either one. Tifa is not the only one that spoke about this. The other party members spoke like more on it, but, you know, she gets it right anyway.
But first, let's enjoy the ride. I love cruising around on these chocobos. It's so much fun.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Yeah, I know, right? It's like we're on a wild adventure, riding around on chocobos, exploring new places, and getting into all kinds of trouble.
As you can see, Moonlash can always play a little heavy metal riff whenever she's in the mood, and she will do so at random occasions, which is pretty fun.
I love it. And the scenery's not bad either. All these rocks and plants. It's like we're in a whole different world. Yeah, this is the life. Riding around on my trusty chocobo, exploring new places, and enjoying the scenery. I love the rocky terrain and the sparse vegetation.
Again, here you can tell that she understands the visual information. She understands the landscape. There's rocky terrain, sparse vegetation. Very well. Very nice. Sure.
It's so rugged and beautiful. And with my little green friend here, it's like we're a team, ready to take on whatever the wilderness throws our way.
This part is funny. She calls it my little green friend. Now, I actually don't know what she means. Does she mean the chocobo? Does she mean the tiny chocobo? Does she mean me? I don't know. We're all yellow, but I mean, the color is like almost green. So, you know, whatever. That's fine. I guess I could have asked her.
Yeah, nice. A golden plume. That's a sweet score. And it looks like we're in a pretty cool location. That bus stop thingy is pretty neat. I wonder what kind of info we can get from it.
Here she also detects the bus stop. Like, she mentions the bus stop by name, and I don't think I ever told her it's a bus stop or whatever. So again, she either took that from the subtitles, the audio, or just visually saw it.
And with these chocobos around, it's like we're on a fun little adventure. Maybe we'll discover some new places or secrets.
And that will conclude the developer commentary. I just wanted to give you like a brief overlook of like the vision capabilities that she has, which are pretty cool, and some of the audio capabilities too. Now, it doesn't always work like this, right? Like this is like cherry picked pretty much. I mean, there's nothing cut out per se, but I assure you that sometimes, well, first of all, when it comes to visual, sometimes she will see things way too late and then it's not relevant anymore and stuff like that. When it comes to audio, she will mishear things, you know, which can also sometimes be funny. But yeah. Well, there you go. See you later.